So one of my subscribers made a comment about the post that I put for my dogs. And they asked, do I have any love for the cats? Of course I do. My bestie was a cat and her name was Sheila. So what I have for you is a picture of some beautiful cats and a message to trust your intuition. Cats are often associated with your feminine side, letting you know your women's intuition is picking up something you should really pay attention to. It's telling you to listen to your gut. And it's a universal message. Many have said this message, but I'm saying it to you again today. Your subconscious knows that you already know the answer to a situation or questions you've been dealing with so much, so you should trust yourself, your own intuition. You know more about the situation than anyone could ever tell you, so it's best for you to trust yourself.